Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Art Station 19. Today I am back with a new video. In this video I am sharing how to create beautiful backgrounds for calligraphy by just only using paintbrushes. So today I am using this paintbrush for creating beautiful backgrounds for my calligraphy. It's super easy to use and also very flexible. Hope you will like it, and it has dual nips with various sets and also a black one with it. So let's get started.